Hello everyone. In this lecture, we shall start with the integrals of some particular functions. Okay. So to begin with, we have six particular functions that we have. The first one is 1 by x square minus a square. The second one is 1 by a square minus x square plus a square, etc. Okay. All these are of the form either 1 by a quadratic expression or 1 by root of a quadratic expression. Okay, we have more than these actually that we will take up in the next lecture, but exam point of view ಇಂದ ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ 6 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay, so without any further delay we shall start with the first proof, that is the first one. Just a minute. Okay, the first one is the integral of a root, 1 by x square minus a square dx equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus c, right? So if I take up that, I will let this to be I. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನ್ನೆನೇ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ that any integral for that matter, okay, you take it as I. Fine. So let I be equal to 1 by x square minus a square dx. Okay. Now, is the denominator in the form of a square minus b square? Yes. A square minus b square can be written as what? A plus a. A plus b into a minus b. Right. So therefore, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? x square minus a square ನ x plus a into x minus a. Okay. Now what I will do is something that you will have to listen to carefully. Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲುಕ್, ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ just write down x plus a and x minus a, okay, whole divided. I will keep the denominator as it is, x plus a into x minus a dx. Okay, now idra madhye nan plus athwa minus baradre I can split the denominator, I can split the integral, right? Akasmatag nan plus barade ankoli. Okay, if I write down plus in between, x plus x will be what? 2x. A and a will get cancelled out, right? Because a minus a agata, it will get cancelled out. X plus x is how much? 2x. So if I divide this by 2x, the denominator will further get complicated, right? But akasmatag ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬದಲು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If I just write down minus, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Wait. If I just write down minus, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X and x will get cancelled out because x minus x. A minus into minus will be plus a plus a, ಇದು a ಆಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಈಗಲ್ಲ. So a plus a will be 2a. So if I have to divide this by 2a, the denominator will not get complicated. ಯಾಕೆ? 2a in the divide, 2a is a constant, so I can also write it outside the integral, right? So therefore the denominator will not get complicated if I subtract x plus a and x minus a in the numerator. Okay, so basically what I will do now is x plus a minus x minus a in the numerator whole divided by, what will I get? X plus a into x minus a dx. Okay, now ಇದಿಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? x plus x minus x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್. a minus into minus will be plus a, right? A plus a is what? 2a. So this is, see, ಈ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, but in numerator 2a ಬಂದಿದೆ. So what exactly I did? I am multiplying it with 2a. I cannot just multiply, I will also have to divide. So divided by 2a, I have divided by 2. Now I am perfectly fine. So this is equal to 1 by 2a into the integral of, you split the integral now, x plus a by x plus a into x minus a, x plus a cancel aita, I will get 1 by x minus a, right? Minus x minus a ಇದೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 by x plus a dx, right? So this will be equal to 1 by 2a into, what is the integral of 1 by x minus a? It is log mod x minus a, okay, minus, what is the integral of 1 by x plus a? It is log mod x plus a, okay, plus c, the integration constant. So this will be equal to 1 by 2a into log a minus log b is equal to what? It is log a by b. So it is log mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. So this is going to be the integral, right? So they had asked us to show that it is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. So we have done it, right? This is how you will have to do it. Coming to the second one, that is, I will let I be equal to the integral of 1 by a square minus x square dx. Okay, ಸೇಮ್ ನಾವು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 1 by, okay, a square minus x square na I'll write it as a plus x into a minus x. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು a plus x ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ a minus x ನನಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್, a plus a is 2a, x ಮತ್ತೆ x ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್, and we are done. So there is nothing more that we have to do. Okay, 2a bantu, so I will divide it by 2a, that's all. So this is equal to 1 by 2a into, now I will split the integral. Split ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ first term a plus x divided by a plus x into a minus x. So a plus x cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What will I get? 1 by a minus x plus a minus x second term will cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I will get 1 by a plus x dx, right? So this will be equal to 1 by 2a. Okay, just a minute. Okay, this will be equal to 1 by 2a log mod, what is the integral of a minus x? ಇದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, what is the integral of 1 by x? It is log x. What is the integral of 1 by x plus 1? It is log mod x plus 1. ಬಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by x plus 1 dx, ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, I mean 1 by x, so you take the integral 1 by log, log mod x plus 1 ಆಯ್ತು. Then you differentiate x plus 1. What is the derivative of x plus 1? It is 1. When you differentiate x plus 1, it is 1. So in differentiation you used to multiply it with 1. Here you will have to divide it by 1. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು divided by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರ, right? So ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ dividing it by 1 really doesn't matter. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇಂದ ಏನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ a ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by a minus x dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ a minus x, ಅದಂತೂ ಫೈನ್. But what is the derivative of a minus x? The derivative of a is 0 minus the derivative of x is 1. 0 minus 1 is what? Minus 1. So you'll have to divide it by minus 1, right? So divided by minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಬಂದಿರೋ log will get converted into the negative log, right? So ಆ negative log ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಮರ್ತ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ our entire integral will go wrong. Okay, so what I will do is this will be log mod a minus x. The derivative of a minus x is minus 1, so I will divide it by minus 1. I hope what I am doing is clear to you. Plus, what is the integral of a plus x? It is log mod a plus x, okay, plus c. So therefore this will be equal to 1 by 2a. Okay, so idu log a minus, because idu il minus barutte, right? Andre minus 1 hogi this will be minus here, so therefore it is in the form of log a minus log b, right? So what will this be? It is log mod a by b. What is a by b? A plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So therefore this is going to be the integral I, right? So I think this is what they had asked us to prove, and we have proven it. Okay, that's done. Now coming to the third question, I mean the third property. The third property is the integral of a square plus x square. So x square plus a square, or x square plus a square, both are same anyways. So I will just let this to be I. Let I be equal to the integral of 1 by x square plus a square dx. Now what I will do is I will just substitute x equal to a tan theta. Okay, remember, whenever you have x square plus a square, try to substitute x equal to a tan theta. Why? Because we have tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. When you have a square minus x square, you try to substitute a equal to x equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. Okay, so that will give you the 1 minus sin square or 1 minus cos square, so that will get reduced. Okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ x square minus a square ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ try to substitute a sec theta. A sec theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will get sec square minus 1, which is tan square. Okay, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅದು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ usually, but need not be always. Okay, so x equal to a tan theta ಇದೆ. If you differentiate it, what will you get? Dx is equal to a ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, tan theta to derivative sec square theta. Since we are taking the differential, it is d theta, right? So this will give you what? The integral of, okay, 1 dx, that dx is what? A sec square theta d theta whole divided by x square, x equal to a tan theta ಇದೆ. So therefore x equal to a tan theta ಇದೆ, right? So x square would be equal to what? X square would be equal to a square tan square theta plus a square, right? So this is equal to the integral of, okay, this will be equal to the integral of a sec square theta divided by, ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ a square ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, right? So a square ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ what will I get? I will get tan square theta plus 1 d theta, right? So this will be equal to a cancel ಆಯ್ತು, so 1 by a will come out. This will be secant square theta divided, what is 1 plus tan square theta? It is again secant square theta, sec square theta d theta. ಇದೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ what will I get? I will get 1 by a into integral of 1 d theta, right? So this will give you what? 1 by a, what is the integral of 1 with respect to theta? It is theta plus c. Okay, now ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ theta ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, I need the integral in x. So ಇವಾಗ we have substituted what? X equal to a tan theta, right? So this implies what? X by a equal to tan theta. Yes, tan ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tan inverse. So therefore tan inverse of x by a is equal to theta. So this is what we get, right? Therefore what is theta now? It is I equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So this is going to be the integral. This is what they have asked us to prove, right? So that's all. This is done. Now coming to the next one, that is 1 by x square minus a square. ನಾನೇ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ x square minus a square ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಏನೇ ಬಂದ್ರು, try to substitute x equal to a sec theta. It works. Okay, let's see. I will take up the fourth one. Let I be equal to the integral of what? 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. Okay, so now what I will do? I will just substitute x equal to a sec theta. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dx would be a into, what is the derivative of sec x? Sec x into tan x, right? So sec theta would be sec theta tan theta d theta. Okay, so this is equal to the integral of dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a sec theta tan theta d theta, okay, whole divided by under root of x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a square sec square theta minus a square, right? So ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, this would be the integral of what ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a sec theta tan theta d theta divided by under root of a square common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ I will be getting sec square theta minus 1 d theta is already written, no problem. So this is equal to the integral of a sec theta tan theta d theta whole divided by what is the root of a square? It is a, right? So it is a. What is sec square theta minus 1? It is tan square theta. Okay, tan square theta do square root tagare because we have a square root here, right? So therefore tan square theta do square root tagare we would be getting tan theta. So it is tan theta. That's all. A cancel aito, tan theta cancel aito, right? So what we will get? We will get integral of secant theta d theta. What is the integral of sec x? It is log mod sec x plus tan x. So therefore the integral of this would be log mod sec theta plus tan theta plus c. So this is going to be the integral. This is I. But now theta albeda x albeku. So therefore now x equal to a sec theta ಇದೆ, therefore x by a equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sec theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. No problem. ನಮಗೆ this is equal to log mod sec theta is x by a. Fine. What will be tan theta? Tan theta ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತು ಏನು, tan ನಮಗೆ sec theta ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, tan theta ಬೇಕು. So tan ಮತ್ತೆ sec ನಡುವೆ ಇರೋ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಏನು, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, right? So ನಮಗೆ sec square ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, tan ಬೇಕು. So therefore tan square theta is equal to sec square theta is what, x square by a square plus 1 ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 1, right? So this will give you what, tan theta ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ, I will get under root of LCM ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ I will get x square minus a square divided by a square. So this will give you what, root of x square minus a square, root a square is a, equal to tan theta. So this is your tan theta, right? So what will you get? Tan theta is what, under root x square minus a square divided by a plus c. For time being I'll call it as c1. I will tell you why did I do so. Okay, so therefore this is equal to log mod, okay, x by, I mean, see the denominator is same, so I can write it as x plus root of x square minus a square divided by a plus c, right? Now ನಮಗೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತು ಏನು, log a by b is log a minus log b. Log a by b is log a minus log b. So therefore ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this will be equal to log a, that is x plus root of x square minus a square, minus log b is minus log a plus c, right? Now a is a constant, so log a is a constant plus c1 is a constant. So therefore c1 minus log a, I mean constant minus constant should also be another constant. So therefore I will get I equal to what, log mod x plus root of x square minus a square. Both of these together are constant, so therefore I will call it as some other constant c. So this is going to be the integral I. Fine. I think that is what they had asked us to prove. Fine, we have done this. Okay, let us go to the next question, that is the fifth one. Okay, fifth question ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, I will take up 1 by root of x square a square minus x square, right? I think fifth one, right? Yes. So now I will let this integral to be I, let I be equal to the integral of 1 by under root a square minus x square dx, right? So ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this will be the integral of 1 by root of, okay, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಏನು, if you have a square minus x square form, put x equal to a sin theta, right? So if I substitute x equal to a sin theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, I substitute x equal to a sin theta, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dx would be a sin theta derivative is cos theta d theta, right? So a square minus x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a square sin square theta, okay, dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dx would be what, just a minute, dx would be what, a cos theta d theta, right? So this is what you have now. This is equal to the integral of a cos theta d theta divided by, okay, under root a square common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ what will I be left with? First term only 1, here sin square theta, so 1 minus sin square theta is what? 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, so I'll write it down as cos square theta. Okay, denominator ನಾನು square root ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ I will get a cos theta divided by, okay, ಇದು ಎರಡರದ್ದು square root ಹೋಯ್ತು, right? Square root ಹೋದ್ರೆ I'll be getting what? A cos theta d theta, right? So a cancel ಆಯ್ತು, cos theta cancel ಆಯ್ತು, what will I get? I will get integral of 1 d theta. What is the integral of 1 with respect to d theta? It is theta plus the constant c, I will call it as I. But see, this is the integral that I need, but theta should be expressed in terms of x. So I have x equal to a sin theta, therefore x by a equal to sin theta, okay. So theta equal to sin inverse of what? X divided by a, right? So therefore theta equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin inverse of x by a plus c. So this is going to be the integral, right? Fine. I think this is what they had asked us to prove. Yes, sin inverse x by a plus c. So we have done it. Okay, let us now take up the sixth one, 1 by root of x square plus a square. Okay, the sixth one is, I will let this to be I, let I be equal to the integral of 1 by x root of x square plus a square dx. Okay, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ x square plus a square ಬಂದ್ರೆ you take x equal to a tan theta, ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ತಂತಾನೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So what I will do is I will just put x equal to a tan theta. Okay, so ನೀವು if you differentiate you will get what? Dx would be equal to a sec square theta d theta, right? This is equal to the integral of dx is what? A sec square theta d theta divided by under root of x square andre ಏನು a tan theta, right? No, a square tan square theta, x andre a tan theta, so x square would be a square tan square theta plus a square, okay, dx would be a sec square theta d theta. So this substitution is done. This is equal to the integral of ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a sec square theta d theta divided by, see we have done such calculations before also andre idar direction, so I will not explain it too much. A square common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ I will be left with tan square theta here and 1 here. What is 1 plus tan square theta? It is sec square theta, so therefore it is sec square theta, right? So this will be equal to, you take out the square root, you will get a sec square theta d theta divided by, okay, root a square would be a, right? And then sec square theta the root ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will get sec theta, right? A cancel ಆಯ್ತು, sec theta 1 sec theta cancel ಆಯ್ತು, I will get the integral of sec theta d theta. So this is going to be the integral I. Now ಈ sec theta integral ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the integral of sec theta would be log mod sec theta plus tan theta, right? Plus tan theta plus c. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ tan theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು, right? Now a tan theta equal to ಏನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ x, this is where we have substituted, right? Now what will I get? tan theta is equal to x by a. Okay, tan theta equal to x by a, so therefore log mod uh, tan theta would be x by a, okay, plus c. What will be sec theta? Again ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನು, here I have done the relation between tan theta and sec theta is 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, right? So therefore we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So therefore 1 plus tan square theta would be x square by a square equal to sec square theta, right? ಈಗ LCM ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ what will I get? I will get a square plus x square divided by a square equal to sec square theta. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ I will be getting sec theta will be equal to what? Root of a square plus x square or x square plus a square whole divided by a square root ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8, right? So sec theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ root of x square plus a square divided by, okay, ನಾವು I think fourth one ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I is equal to log mod, okay, denominator is same, so x plus root of x square plus a square whole divided by ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a plus c, I will call it as c1 because a ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this will be equal to log mod, log a by b formula ಇದೆ, so I can write it as log a minus log b. So this will be x plus root of x square plus a square, okay, minus log a, right, plus c1. So e c1 minus log a is another constant as I explained before, so this will be log mod x plus root of x square plus a square, okay, plus ಇದೆರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿ I will call it as c. So this is going to be the integral. I think this is what they have asked us to prove, right? So this is the proof. Fine. Yes, this is what they have asked us to prove. This is going to be the proof. Okay, so this is all about the proofs of the standard integrals that we have discussed. Okay, so in the next lecture what we shall do is we shall take up a few problems based on these, and also a few more types of integrals that can be solved using these particular functions. Okay, thank you.